Last week, the Permanent Court of Arbitration ruled that Taiping Island is a rock rather than an island. On July 20th, 7 lawmakers traveled to Taiping Island to show the world that Taiping is indeed an island.
On July 19th, President Tsai Ing-wen presided over her first high-level national security meeting since taking office. During the meeting, she outlined 4 principles for dealing with the South China Sea controversy, including a peaceful resolution in accordance with international law and the Law of the Sea Convention. She also announced a 5-prong approach for addressing the Permanent Court of Arbitration's South China Sea arbitration ruling, which stated that Taiping Island is a rock rather than an island. The strategies are protecting the rights of fishermen, holding multilateral discussions, inviting scholars to visit Taiping Island to study its geology and climate, turning Taiping Island into a humanitarian rescue center and transportation and supply base, and cultivating international law experts. According to the president, Taiwan's position is based on international laws and the law of the sea, and it will not transgress these laws. It will also not renounce any rights granted under international law. On July 20th, 7 lawmakers from the Foreign and National Defense Committee and the Internal Administration Committee traveled to Taiping Island aboard an Air Force C-130 transport plane. They intend to bring potable water from Taiping Island back to Taiwan to show the world that the territory is indeed an island. In related news, there have been calls for the government to demarcate a 200 nautical mile exclusive economic zone around Taiping Island. Several professors from the Taiwan Association of University Professors say claimant countries have not yet drawn EEZs, as they will overlap and lead to further controversies. They urge the government to engage in multilateral negotiations with these countries to protect Taiwan's rights and interests and strengthen its diplomatic relations.